Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute pink player from Fall Guys Ultimate Knockout. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper or any other medium of your choice. Let's get started. He has a big pill-shaped body, so let's start by drawing that. Draw the top of the body with a curved rectangular shape. Next, let's draw the sides of his body. But remember to keep a blank space on either side. This is where we're going to connect the arms. Don't connect the bottom fully yet either. This is where we will draw the legs. Let's draw the arms now. For the arm on the right side, draw a diagonal line downwards. Now let's draw the hand. Draw a curved line and then a bump for his thumb. For his next finger, draw an oval shape, but don't close it. For the next two fingers, draw closed ovals here like so. Finish off the hand with a slight S shape here. Finish off his arm by connecting the hand back to the body. Next, let's draw his other arm. This arm will be hanging downwards. Draw a line outwards and down, curving it inwards at the bottom. From the side of the body, draw a curved line down here. Draw the fingers of the hand by drawing U shapes, like so. Now onto the legs. Where you left the opening at the bottom, draw 4 lines equally spaced out. Then between the two inner lines, draw the bottom of the body with a horizontal line. Draw in the feet with rounded rectangular shapes. Lastly, we're going to draw his face. Draw a circle here. Now draw his eyes with 2 rounded rectangles and fill them in black. And that's it for this cute player from Fall Guys. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And if you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.